Hello and welcome to Let's Learn. So today we'll be continuing on SPM topical questions for mathematics. Again, I think we're going back to Polygons 1 and 2, which is still Form 1 to Form 3 chapters. Alright, and we'll be continuing with question number 6. Okay, so let's dive into it. So number 6, it says here, looks like more light. Yeah, there we go. So in diagram 2, PQRST is a pentagon. PQRST, okay, is an irregular pentagon. And RSTU is a parallelogram in the pentagon. Alright. Find the value of x plus y. Okay. So basically, because RSTU is a parallelogram, so this UR is parallel with ST, right? And TU will be parallel with RS. Okay, so angle STU is equals to 180 minus 146. Oops. Right, the reason why it's that is because of when it's parallel lines, we have the U shape. Right? So this U will be this angle RST plus this angle UTS or STU. When you add them up, they will be equal to 180 degrees. Alright, so let's see. 180 minus 146, and we'll get 34 degrees. Okay. Then of course, angle SRU is the same. Right, because if you look at it like this, again, it's the U shape. Alright, now we have to look at angle PQR that is on the inside of the pentagon. And that would be 360 minus 162. Okay. And that is 198 degrees. So now we have Y, we have that angle, we have the total of this angle, QRS. Let's find QRS. That would be angle QRU, which is 39 degrees, plus angle URS, which is this one, SRU, 34 degrees. Right, and that would be 73 degrees. Okay. Then of course angle STP will be 34 degrees plus x. Okay, so now we have all the internal angles of the pentagon. Now we have to find out what is the total internal angle of the pentagon so that we can find the answer of x plus y. Right? So total internal angles, the formula is 180n. 180n minus 360 degrees, so I think it's 540. Yeah, it's 540. Okay, so take 540 minus all of the angles. We'll have x plus y equals to 540 minus this is 34 minus 146 minus, we found this one, right? QRS 73 degrees minus this angle, which is 198. So that's it. right? Because minus x minus y, I brought it over to that side. So key into your calculator, 540 minus 334 minus 146 minus 73 minus 198, and we'll get 89 degrees. And that is your answer for B. Okay. Sorry, I'm having a bit of runny nose. Don't know why. Hope it's not COVID, because I don't want to have COVID and I don't want to spread it to anyone. Right? Luckily, it's through a video, so you can't get it. You know what? Oh, whatever it is I have. I think I have a cold though. Well, anyway, let's go to question 7. So in diagram 2, PQRSTU is an irregular hexagon. PQV, PQV and STW are straight lines. Find the value of x plus y. Again, let's find the value of x plus y. Alright, so let's take a look. Question number 7. So, because it's an irregular hexagon, the total internal angle is still the same, but all the angles inside, they don't equal to each other. Okay, so basically, again, total internal angles 180 n minus 360, right? And you're gonna get 720 degrees, because n is equal to 6 is the number of sides, and hexagon tells us it's 6, so I don't need to count. Okay, now angle STU is equals to 180 degrees, because that's a straight line, minus 60 degrees. And you get 120 degrees. Okay, and then for angle PQR, it is again, PQV is a straight line, so 180 degrees minus 50 degrees, which will give you 130 degrees. And then the rest is x and y, right? So your 720 degrees is equals to 2x's plus 2y plus STU, which is 120, plus PQR, which is 130 degrees. So you have 2x plus 2y plus 250 degrees equals to 720 degrees. Bring the 250 degrees over to the other side, so it becomes minus 250. Right, so 720 minus 250. Please don't judge me. It's the middle of the night. It's like 4 a.m. right now. Right, so it's equals to 470 degrees. Okay, and when you bring your 2 out, x plus y is equals to 470 degrees. Right, so if you bring the 2 over to the other side, it becomes divide. So x plus y is equals to 470 divided by 2. So it's 235. Right, and your answer will be C. Okay. Now let's look at question 8. I hope you can see it. Alright. So in diagram 3, PQ is a common side of a regular nonagon G and a regular pentagon K. Ooh, that's interesting. So nonagon means 9 sides. Okay. Excuse me. Sorry about that. I had to pause the video for a bit. Okay, so nonagon tells us that it's 9-sided. And oops. So one of the internal angles for a nonagon, okay, so J is the nonagon. So I have a line here, here, that's x, and this is part of J, right? So the internal angle of the nonagon, if I only want to find one of it, so basically you use 360 divided by n, and then you take 180 minus that answer. Right, and you're gonna get, this time your n is 9. You're gonna get 140 degrees. Right, so over here is 140 degrees. Use the same formula, this time for the regular pentagon. Right, so it will be 360 divided by 5, then 180 minus that answer, and you are going to get 108 degrees. So here is 108 degrees. So because you can see here, it's a full circle now. Okay, so x is equals to 360 degrees minus 140 degrees minus 108 degrees. Okay? And you'll get 112 degrees. And that's your answer for B. Right? Simple. Now let's look at question number 9. Oh, looks like the next video is going to be really short. Yep, there is only 2 questions for the next video. Alright, so number 9. In diagram 2, PQRSUV, okay, let me shift it here. Yes, it's an irregular hexagon. PQRSUV, okay, that's the irregular hexagon, and these are its extended sides. Okay, and SU is equals to ST. So what tells me when they say SU equals to ST is that this triangle here, STU, is an isosceles triangle, right? RST is a straight line, TUV is a straight line as well. Okay, so let's try to copy that here so I can scribble onto, something. Okay, oops, I guess it was something like this. So that's T, S, R, Q, P, V, and U. So this is 120 degrees. That is 100 degrees, sorry. That's X. That is also X. And this is 32 degrees. Now this angle down here will be equals to that angle over there. Alright? So first, let's state the obvious. Angle SUT is equals to angle STU. SUT, that means this angle. STU, that means this angle right here. Okay? How do we find it? It will be 180 degrees minus that 32 degrees, and that answer you divide it by 2. Okay? And you get 74 degrees. Now, because we know this 74 degrees, so angle SUV, this small part right here, right, is equals to 180 minus angle SUT, which is 74, and you will get 106 degrees. Yeah, you're gonna get 106 degrees. Right, so we have this angle now, and we have to find the value of x. Now, because RST is a straight line, therefore angle RSU, this one, is equals to 180 degrees minus angle UST, which is that 32 degrees. Okay? So that's gonna be 148. Yes, 148. Okay, so now you have 2 axes. You have all of the angles inside the hexagon. So again, we have to find the total internal angles of a hexagon. Alright? So total internal angles of a hexagon will be 180 times 6 minus 360 degrees. So the 6, remember, is the number of sides. 720. Yes, 720 degrees. Okay. So now you take the 720 minus everything in the hexagon. Minus 106, minus 120, minus 100, minus 2x, right, because there are two of them, minus 148 is equal to 0. Okay, because you've gone full circle. So bring the x's over to the other side, so it becomes 2x is equals to 720 minus the rest. And you're going to get 246. Right, so your x will be 246 divided by 2. Oops. And you get 123 degrees. Alright, and that's your answer, B. Okay? Now let's look at question number 10, your final one. Alright. So for question 10, in diagram 3, PQRST is a regular polygon. Okay. I can count that it has 5 sides, so it's a regular pentagon. RVS is a straight line. Okay. Find the value of x plus y. So straight away I know, because RVS is a straight line, so y is equals to 180 degrees minus 52 degrees. And that is 128 degrees. Okay? And then the internal angle, just one angle of the pentagon. Alright? X plus 17 degrees is equals to 180 minus 360 divided by 5, which is the number of sides of the regular polygon. Alright? 72. Oh, sorry, 108. Okay, so x plus 17 is equals to 108, which is the internal angle of the pentagon, right? So over here is 108, over here is 108, over here is 108, over there is 108, right? So x is equals to 108 minus 17, and you're gonna get 91 degrees. So this time you can find them individually. You find the value of x and you find the value of y. Now we add in the value of x and y so that we can find the value of x plus y. Alright? And we will get 219 degrees. Okay? And that will be C. Alright, so I'm making it into a shortcut because I expect you to know, how to plus and minus. But please, if it's in your paper 2, please write it out. Alright, if it's a subjective paper, please write out step by step. You never know whether that step is important or not, where sometimes they'll give an extra mark. Alright, remember to check your answers, and I hope to see you in the next video.